Hi.
Hi to who?
Tita Arvy.
Yeah, you want to tell Tita Arvy what happened today about the school? What did you wear today?
Pajama day. And I wear pajamas, but I took it off.
So tell us about Pajama Day.
I was wearing my slippers, and I liked it. And outside, we had to wear our boots because outside it's muddy and the rocks are hard and it'll be ouchy there. And if we lose our shoes, it maybe get ruined. So we wear our outside shoes.
And then what's happening tomorrow?
It's Crazy Hair Day.
So what are you going to do for Crazy Hair Day?
I'm gonna do it like this.
What's going on?
That way?
Yes.
And then what else?
I'm gonna at Saturday I'm gonna play with my playmates, and it's called Play Day. Max and Haley are sister and brother. Max is from kindergarten and he's my friend, and Haley's from my mom's school classroom, and she's Max's sister.
I see. Now, let's practice something in Tagalog. How about that?
Okay.
Okay. Can you say, can you tell us something about your fish in Filipino?
Meron ako betta fish.
Okay. Anong pangalan ng betta fish mo? Talk, I cannot hear you. Say it.
What's
Something, if you want to say something, just say it. So what's the name of your betta fish?
Pacquiao.
And what else? What does he like?
He likes his food.
Can you tell us about him in Tagalog?
Meron ako betta fish. Ikaw? Ako meron Pacquiao. Meron me.
Anong gustong gawin ni Pacquiao?
Like to swim around.
So how do you say that?
Pacquiao. Ikaw. Pacquiao.
Anong ginagawa ni Pacquiao sa kanyang
around?
Ano ang swim around? Naglalangoy.
Langayo.
Lalangoy. Naglalangoy.
Naglalangoy.
So you say, gusto ni Pacquiao naglalangoy.
Gusto niya pakyaw ng lalanoy.
Okay. Sabihin, say, ang pangalan ko po,
Ang pangalan ko po,
ang pangalan ko po,
ay Isabella.
Ako po,
Ako po,
ay 5 taong gulang.
ng 5 taong gulang.
Ako po,
Ako po,
ay mabait.
ng anang bait.
Anong paborito mong pagkain?
Pansit Canton.
What else?
Cup noodle.
You like cup noodles? The one that's from the Philippines?
Yes. Opo.
Opo. So what else? What can you say about yourself? What are you going to what are you going to do when you go home to the Philippines? What do you wanna do?
I am gonna...
No, you speak in Tagalog. Anong gagawin natin pag umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas?
Ako nang ko meron to go to SM.
Pupunta po ako ng SM.
Punta
Pupunta po ako ng SM.
ako ng SM